Gold prices. Looking vulnerable, increasingly vulnerable. Obviously, you guys know my stance on gold. I've given it on numerous occasions. I just feel like the vulnerabilities are largely stacked up against the precious metal. They were looking at the potential signs yesterday at just seeing these stops. Obviously, all these orders where the stops are at being taken out to the downside, flushing that for liquidity, pulling in for back into 4K. I mean, that's what I would like to see, but it's very possible. I'm keeping a very close eye on because it's also very possible that, when we have these key areas and stops are being triggered to the downside, like here, when we were ranging for quite some time and then we had this big move here, we dropped what from 4480 down to 4320. Like it's a big move, $160, where that, we could see that. So I'm just looking because obviously it's a case of I don't want to miss the move. Obviously, I need things to be aligned, but I would like to see that happening to the downside. Now, why is it? I think markets are being. I'm going to save this for a big rundown, a big sort of analysis video, okay, for my YouTube channel. But obviously, markets are just underpricing the idea of rate hikes. It's ludicrous. Gold is staying true to reality because obviously the war is going on. We're seeing fresh strikes. We're seeing the US even hit, as reported by Iran, have hit civilian infrastructure, bridges, or whatever it is. Yeah, power facilities and train stations been hit, and there's also a bridge. Like this is escalating, and obviously we're heading into the weekend. You know what happens on the weekend? These guys wake up and call freaking violence. So just keep in mind the further downside pressure. Obviously, you can see structurally we remain bearish. Level highs, level lows, level highs, level lows, all that stuff. So I remain extremely bearish. But guys, by the way, the mentorship waiting list is open. If you are interested in that and you have any questions, you can drop me a DM via Instagram at RealKenChikbo, or you can just apply via the link below and we will jump on a call and yeah, hash that out, because this is the time where, man, like this summer period is where you do the groundwork, and come September, where we have that big spike in macro activity, all the desks returning from the holidays, things are going to get interesting, things are going to get spicy. So if you are interested in taking your knowledge to the next level, tying in macros with the technicals, giving you greater edge, you can check that out and also get access. You can get access to the KenMacro desk or the macro trading blueprint. All the links are below anyway. I'll catch you next update. Have a blessed week.